Final group project discussion. Group 6 presented in Mr. Yola's class. Hello, good morning everyone. The Honorable Mr. Aulia Lokman Aziz and Yuki as a teaching assistant and dear friends. Before starting today's presentation, let us Group 6 Class B majoring Business Administration to introduce ourselves. My name is GIYESTI KUSUMANINGTYAS with four my friends, BAGUS ADNYANA, RAHMANIA, YASMIN MAULIDYA, and Muhammad ABID AZMIL ISHOMY. On this occasion, we will present the importance of a face-to-face learning. Okay, today we will present you about analytical exposition, the importance of a face-to-face learning. Okay, before we go, we have to know the structure of analytical exposition. The first structure is thesis. Thesis is the main idea that needs to be delivered to readers. And the second is argument. Argument is supplementary ideas that are supported by facts and data. And the last is reiteration. Reiteration is reset the writer's position towards the issue.
Let's talk about thesis. The importance of face-to-face schools for students is that students can focus more on learning. Studying from home makes many students not focus on studying. They are much distracted by the home environment. In addition, so that learning runs effectively, it must be admitted that during the school from home, learning doesn't take place effectively. The teachers cannot be effective in teachings, and on the other hand, students also cannot effectively absorb learning materials. Now we go to the first argument. School from home makes students connected to the internet. This makes it difficult for them to focus on studying because they are distracted by social media. In addition, school from home makes many students miss lessons. With face-to-face learning, it is hoped that this can catch up.
Next, the second argument is signals are also an obstacle from some students to take lesson learning or accessing learning resources. By returning to face-to-face learning, both students and teachers will have no trouble accessing learning research. Not like during school from home, face-to-face learning makes their learning process more controlled because teachers can directly supervise their students. The last argument is the advantage of face-to-face learning for students and teachers. Face-to-face learning have more benefit. The first benefit is to train academic skill. In the school, there are two types of material to be taught, it namely academic and non-academic. What is meant by this academic is to hone the ability to memorize, analyze, problem solve, and play logic. People who do not go to school usually have poor academic abilities, so it can be distinguished which people are in school and which people are not.
The important benefit of school is that it can train discipline and socialization. This socialization ability is important for society because without the ability to socialize, people will not easily mingle with a certain group of people or society. Not only that, the nature of discipline will be taught in school. There are several rules at school that must be obeyed, so children are forced to be disciplined to follow these rules. Another benefit is practicing responsibility. The responsibility of student is to learn to be able to get the best result. If the results are good, it will make parents, teacher, and relatives proud. By receiving a school education, your potential will become more developed. If you don't go to school, it will be difficult to develop your potential. There are even some children who find their potential well at school. This potential is useful for children's future to be even better.
Okay, still in argument 3, the last benefit is mental training and also create self-confidence. There are several materials at school that will make children have a good mentality and confidence, such as presentation, speech, and many other. The mentality and self-confidence are very important to build a career, so that by going to school, it is hoped that the child can achieve the career as expected. Okay, the last we have reiteration. Disadvantage of online learning and the benefit of face-to-face learning that have been described above have shown that face-to-face learning is very important, but always remember to maintain health protocol. Okay, maybe just that from us. Thank you and see you in the next project. Goodbye.